Hi there. So I guess you are here because you tried to search on internet and on YouTube how to use cut or scissors tool in Vectornator. But I guess you didn't find any good resources available for that, as I myself had the issue when I was new to using Vectornator app. So I learned the hard way how to use the cut tool, and so I made this video for others. It's easy to understand. So on right hand side you can see I have written down some steps in the Google Keep, and we'll follow these quick steps to you understand how to use cut tool. First step is to select direct select tool and select the object you want to cut. Okay, so direct select tool is this second one, direct selection. We are selecting that tool, and now we'll select this square, this rectangle, and then the first step is done. Insert extra anchor points. So yeah, you can see here there are only 4 points in the rectangle. Now suppose if you want to cut this rectangle from middle, then we don't have any anchor points. There are two ways to it. One is that you can manually add anchor points by just selecting over the line, but by doing so they may not be always at the exact center of the rectangle, and so we will use an inbuilt functionality. Here you can see on top hand side, go to the path, there is this add anchor points option. The more you select, the more anchor points it adds, but for us this much is enough, so we stop here. So this step is done, insert anchor points. Now the step is to select scissor or cut tool. Okay, we have done that. Next is select anchor point 1 where cutting should start. So we are selecting this point. That step is done. Second, now without any another touch, select anchor point 2. So I am selecting this bottom one, and that's it. Our cutting has been done. Now we need to check. For checking, we'll select the normal select tool and see, does it segregate? Yes, it's segregating. Now here we have two separate shapes from one. So this is how the cut tool works. I hope this video helped you in your journey to master this app and use it for your own resources. So thank you for checking out this video. Have a nice day.